In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Gmail on Android phone. To begin, you will need to open the Gmail app on your Android device. This step is crucial because it serves as the gateway to access your Google account settings. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by your inbox displaying your most recent emails. This familiar interface provides easy access to your account. Look for the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon is your next move. This action not only personalizes your experience, but also leads you directly to account management options. Once you tap your profile picture, a small menu will appear. This menu includes several options such as switching accounts or signing out. However, you want to focus on the option that says Manage your Google account. This choice is essential as it takes you to the main settings of your Google account. From here, you'll have access to various settings including security, privacy, and account preferences. It's a straightforward yet powerful step that ensures you can manage your account efficiently. Now that you have tapped Manage your Google account, you will see several tabs at the top of the screen like Home, Personal Info, Data, and Privacy and Security. Your next step is to tap on the Security tab. This section is particularly important because it houses all the security-related settings for your account. From this point, you can review recent security events and manage your password settings. It's a vital area to ensure your account remains safe and secure. After tapping on the Security tab, scroll down until you find the Signing into Google section. In this section, you will see an option labeled Password. Tapping this option is your next step. This action is significant because it directs you to the area where you can change your password. A strong password is critical to maintaining your account's security. Taking the time to update it helps protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Once you tap on Password, you will be prompted to verify your identity. This verification step is crucial for security purposes. It ensures that only you can make changes to your account settings. You may be asked to enter your current password or verify via a security method such as a text message. Completing this step confirms your identity and secures the process of changing your password. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be taken to the password entry screen. Here, you will need to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important because a robust password greatly enhances your account's security. As you type your new password, be sure to follow any guidelines or strength indicators provided on the screen. This ensures that your new password meets the necessary requirements for security. Once you have entered your new password, the next step is to tap on Change Password. This action confirms your desire to update your password and completes the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. This reassurance is essential as it lets you know that your new password is now in effect, ensuring your account is secure. With that done, take a moment to reflect on the importance of keeping your account secure. Regularly changing your password helps protect your information. Always remember to choose passwords that are hard to guess and unique to your accounts. By following these steps, you have now successfully changed your Gmail password on your Android phone. Thank you for watching.